Hi, my name's Steve. This is how I clean my steering wheel. Steering wheel on my '07 Subaru Forester XT. Got quite a bit of grime on here. All that lighter color stuff. I thought that was actually the leather being worn down, but a lot of it is actually just skin flakes and fragments and oils from your hands. Stuff that can be picked up pretty easily with Dawn or any dish detergent. See some of the dirt that was on there. Gonna wipe it down now. Came out looking quite a bit better. I was honestly surprised by how much better it looked with just simple soap and water. This didn't come out absolutely perfect. Some of the steering wheel is actually worn on the left side here. If I wanted to fix this, then I would have to actually touch it up with paint or leather filler. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. We'll see you next time.